Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a car emergency kit upgrade for me. This is the COOZMENT 3.2 gallon water container. Let's check it out. So the first thing I want to do is show you how big this thing is and how easy it is to fill. The back where the spigot is easy to open too. You do have a little cleaning product down here. I'll show it to you here. And that will allow you to get in there and clean it up good. I mean, you could do this with anything. This just came with it. Thought that was kind of a nice little feature. And everything about this whole thing seems to be pretty well thought out. Now, this was just an impulse purchase for me because I really wanted more water in my vehicle. But right down to the tiny vent on the cap there that allows you to open this up so you don't have that vacuum that won't open it, won't let the water flow freely. You can turn it on its side. It'll probably live most of its life sitting like this in my vehicle, but you can turn this thing on its side. You can use it to dispense the water. It's a whole lot easier to carry, and it's got a nice little wide diameter on the front there for cleaning and filling from pretty much anywhere you can think of. I could even get that down into some kind of water source that I knew was safe, like a river or something like that, and get water in it. Now, something I did to start off with this thing was I wanted to see if it was going to stink of plastic, all right? When I opened it up, it didn't have that smell. So what I did was I put some water in here, okay? And I let it sit for about a week. And it wasn't treated water or anything special. Let it sit for about a week, then came back and drank a cup of the water. No plastic smell, no plastic taste. Really, really nice. Came out perfect. So I was really impressed, and the price on these is $33.29. So it's really not that bad considering the high quality and the decent kind of body this is made of. This is food grade HDPE, all right? They do weigh about 2 pounds unfilled. The size on them, 14.4 by 5.9 by 13. You do have a nice silicone ring on here. And you'll forgive me moving this arm a little slow. This is the arm that took the brunt of the fall when I fell. It'll be fine. It's just annoying right now. Anyway, really nice little well thought out item. And I got to say, for what I'm going to be using it for, where it's going to go through hot and cold and hot and cold in the back of my vehicle, this is going to be something I really enjoy using, and I don't have to worry about it leaking. I can't tell you how many times I filled up those Walmart water jugs, the blue ones or the light blue ones, and I would come out. Now, thankfully, this is back when I had a truck. I'd have them in the bed of my truck, and I'd come out, and I'd see water leaking out of the bed of my truck because the darn things failed. The one I have in my vehicle, it's an English company, and the name escapes me right away, is another 3.2 gallon one. This one here is going to be about 3.2 gallons. They're both 12 liters. There's really no reason why I have two of them, except I got one for free, and I didn't want to just throw it out and buy a 5 gallon. So this gives me 6.4 gallons of water in my vehicle. And out here, close to Death Valley in the desert, water is kind of really important to have. So that's one of the reasons why I make sure that I have water stored in my vehicle. If I'm going to Vegas and I have to go over the mountain pass, I want to make sure I got water in there. So let me give you a look around this thing real quick. You can see what it looks like from this side. And the spigot here, really nicely done. I was a little concerned at first because I thought this wouldn't clear, but you can rotate this to the side here and it will clear perfectly, and you can fill up pretty much anything. And as you can see, even without screwing down here, it opens up perfectly fine. So that's definitely a plus in my book. It does flow very freely, very nicely. I'm going to give you a little example of the water flow of this. We're going to fill it up with some water, and I'm going to let it flow out and show it to you because I really don't have much more to say. It's a water bucket. It seems to work pretty well. There was no great discount on it. I just searched and searched and searched for something that looked decent, well-made, and would give me a little additional water in a second container in my vehicle. And I came across this, and I think it's awesome for $33. Can't beat that. So let me fill it up with some water as best I can today. Not batting 1,000, coming off being sick and then falling on my arm. But I'm going to fill it up with some water, and we're going to try it out and see how it works. All right, so I'm definitely not going to win any cinematic awards today for this demo. But here you go. You can see how easily that works. That fills it up really, really quickly. So definitely a good deal. Doesn't drip after. Really like that. And it's definitely a neat little system. I think they thought it out well, and it works very, very well. So let's get it back up straight up top there, and I'll finish up the video and let you know where you can pick it up. All right, so you can pick these up, of course, on Amazon. I will have a link below. I don't believe there's any discounts running on them currently, but for $33.29, get yourself a reliable water storage for your vehicle. It doesn't need to be a big, huge thing, but something like this, you know, is going to handle the elements, handle getting knocked around, handle getting dropped. I did drop it off the table once when it was half full. So all in all, it's held up pretty well. And the taste on it, no plastic taste, no nastiness, nothing like that. It's all BPA free, safe, food quality, food grade. So I'm impressed with it. And we're going to try it out in the vehicle, see how it does. If there's any problems with it, of course, I'll let you know. Anyway, that is the video for today. Please forgive me for being a little short today. I was all excited. I just started to feel better, like the bronchitis was gone. Putting up something in there, and I just spun around, stepped over something, and man, I hurt right now. My arm is so sore. Hurts to lift it up. So I may get it checked out. I think I'm okay. I think I just banged it right in the center of my forearm. So all in all, not that bad. Not a serious injury. Just kind of hurts. Kind of feeling a little down now because I was like, I'm finally healthy. Oops, no, let's trip over something and hurt ourselves. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching, hanging out with me today. I definitely want you to check it out. I think it would be perfect for a daily driver type vehicle. Keep a little extra water in the trunk. Good way to make sure you're safe and secure. Anyway, like I said, it'll be in the Amazon store. My Amazon store is down below. If you guys are interested in helping the channel out, just bookmark that Amazon store link and shop with that link. It will really help out the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. And you get to see what's in my channel from time to time, what I'm reviewing, what I'm looking at. Don't forget our freeze-dried wholesalers link. I have a video plan coming up for them, hopefully before the end of the year. We're going to be making some really good stuff on the little heater grill over there that I set up. I want to try it for cooking this time. And don't forget our My Patriot Supply link. That's preparewithiridium.com. This month, you're going to get $60 off that 4-week food kit. It's affordable to begin with, $60 off a 4-week food kit. Really a good deal. So it was affordable to start with. Now you're getting $60 off. So definitely check that out. It's preparewithiridium.com. And of course, our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. I'm going to take a nice hot shower right now. Stay safe and stay prepared.